This video covers questions 35 through 38 and deals with graphing from point slope form. So what we need to find from point slope form is the point and the slope. So in point slope form, your x coordinate is with x, but we're going to take the opposite sign. So we have a +2, so it's going to be a -2. Your y coordinate is with your y, opposite sign. So it's a -4 over here. It's going to be a +4. And then your slope is the last number, so 2/3. Now I can plot this, so I'm going to plot -2 over 2 up 4. And from that point, I'm going to use my slope, rise over run, up 2 over 3. 1, 2. Now I can connect my points. Again, we're going to find our points. X coordinate is with x, opposite sign. Y coordinate is with y, opposite sign. Slope is the last numbers left. So we have a point at 4, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And we have our slope is -5 over 2. Rise 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Run 2. It's negative, so we're going to turn to the left. Connect your points. Find our point. X coordinate is with x, opposite sign 2. Y coordinate is y, opposite sign is -3. Slope, last number left. Remember, we like our slopes to be a fraction, so I'm going to put over 1. Plot the point 2, -3. So over 2, down 3. And we're going to rise over run, up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Over 1. Go to the left because it's negative. Or I could have went down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And to the right 1. These are both part of the same line. Okay, we have our point. X is with x. Opposite sign. Y is with y. Opposite sign. So that's a positive instead of a negative. And then slope's the last number. Since it's a whole number, we're going to place it over 1. So we have point -1, 4. And we have our slope 2 over 1. So that's rise 2, run 1. Or I could have went down 2 and to the left 1. Making sure it's a positive line, so it should be going up.